I'm Ron from Kolleno, your trusted partner for managing your invoices and collections seamlessly with NetSuite. In this tutorial, I walk you through assigning a billing schedule to an item record so that it's automatically applied to sales transactions. Why you would assign a billing schedule to an item, it means that each time you use that item on a sales transaction, the schedule is applied by default. This is especially useful if you frequently bill for certain products or services over a recurring schedule. To display billing schedules on line items, make sure that your transaction forms are customized to show the schedules on lines. And let's go through it then. So we will go to List, Accounting, Items, New. We select the item type. So we click on the item type we want to create. This could be inventory, if including matrix and serialized items, assembly for serialized assemblies, kit package, non-inventory, other charge service, etc. So we will go for non-inventory here. So once you're here, you enter all the fields that are necessary as usual that you know, and then you're interested into the sales pricing subtab. And under sales, you can locate the billing schedule field here, and from the job done, you can select the billing schedule you want to assign to this item, and once you're happy, you save the item to finalize the billing schedule assignment. Quick reminder that if you're finding this helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more NetSuite tips and tricks. So if you want to assign a billing schedule to an item you've already created, you will go to List, Accounting, Items. You just find the item you want to edit by clicking on Edit. And then once you are on the form, you will follow a similar process to select the billing schedule under the sales pricing subtab and then click Save as usual. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful NetSuite content, and I'll see you in the next one.